yes, and a compass that will move you to places. I believe this is very important, like work and life. We get knowledge, ideas, concept that we can apply in our daily life.
Welcoming the radiant and empowering Miss Tony Miranda.
One tool that is very effective here in mental health and even having this work-life balance is having a compass. We are actually equipped to choose, to reframe everything and not to numb. Because numbing is not our goal, but management using our strengths, our neuroscience, because you are capable of actually still feeling good. The moment you speak to another person, you already have a platform to influence them positively or negatively. One effective tool to have this work-life harmony is to have a reason every day, a compass. A compass that will make you say no, a compass that will make you say yes, and a compass that will move you to places. So we don't find meaning because we don't have clarity. You don't find fulfillment because you are confused. And clarity and confidence, they go together. But confusion and lack of clarity and confidence, they don't go together. You are capable of putting harmony sa work and life. When one is out of tune, everything else will be out of tune. So we need to protect your harmony in your work and life. While you are protecting your harmony, we also need to be aware of attacks. Knowing your emotion is not emotional intelligence because it's just knowing. It's making your brain, your mind and heart and emotions be together. A sound mind sits with a steady body. Understand first that if you're not healthy, pwedeng mag-iba-iba rin yung laman ng thoughts natin. Remember the truth about you. You have worth, you have purpose, you have power to manage your trigger, and you have talent. The truth is simple, don't complicate it. Remember that you do not own anything, including your body. That's why you need to manage your trigger because you have the responsibility to take care of your body. The CALM framework, C-A-L-M. Letter C, cultivate awareness. Letter A, assess your levels. And then every day, you need to be mindful to choose joy and not to have a miserable life. And of course, mindful strategies. The best leaders are those who are consistent. You do it again and again, magiging habit siya, magiging discipline, then you reach self-mastery.
Gusto ko sa pagtuturo ni Miss Tony is yung pagiging genuine niya sa kanyang mga topics. Thank you.
Thank you for teaching us that what we are on the past will never define our future. So, thank you.
She explains well all the topic clearly and effectively.
We were able to realize kung ano po yung mga strengths and weaknesses namin, how we handle, including our stressors or our triggers. In-increase niya yung inner strength namin, personal strength, para ma-realize namin yung worth namin.
She taught me how to be more aware of myself and my triggers so that I can live joyfully and in harmony.